have at the moment a very precise inventory of our universe. We know the composition of the material universe. In particular, we know that we have a very peculiar universe. We have one that started at the Big Bang, the moment at which we think all time and space came to be. Today, we've ended up with a universe that has this bizarre inventory. 74% of the total energy, so energy and matter are interchangeable. So 74% of the inventory is this mysterious thing called dark energy. And about 22 to 23% is a mysterious thing called dark matter. And only 4% is the stuff that we're made of. This is the ordinary atoms, the stuff that is sitting on the periodic table that's familiar to us. It's only 4% of the entire universe.
As an artist, my driving force is curiosity to explore the dark space, or whatever it is, the unknown. It's the driving force of creativity, of art, and it's also the driving force of basic science, which we're talking about here. So it's just a reflection that we call it dark because we don't know, and maybe this curiosity is the key to many, many things here.
Verbal language is not the tool in which we think. We actually, for musicians, I suspect in music, I know for me, it really is mathematics. Mathematics is a language for me, and it has many attributes, and it's distinguished from other languages by a number of things that I could describe here, and maybe I will later. Look at the brains of musicians being stimulated certainly compared to non-musicians, and you can see from the neurological patterns of the operation of the brain that there are differences. So how we use whatever language is actually having a reaction back on essentially it looks like the wiring of our brain.
It's about exploration of very complex open-ended spaces. As an improviser, as a composer, you study your own creative processes, and you can be very conscious of what you're doing. And you can observe these, because I think rather than recombination, it's translations between different representations, between ideas into material form and back through reinterpretations and new forms of concepts, etc., which is a process that is highly influenced by the context and the surroundings. It doesn't have to be unconscious. You can be very aware of it and still be very creative.